तो ये है bedroom which I am decorating today. Although it's originally a drawing room, but I have transformed it into a bedroom. So here my original bedroom, which I have turned into a plant cum study room because it gets indirect sunlight and good light exposure, keeping my indoor plants healthy. First I'll be starting with the mosaic hanging lamp. So for this I'm using a mosaic mirror tape and a big bowl and carefully sticking the tape around the bowl to create a beautiful effect. I really love the mosaic stuff and it's always fun to make a mosaic craft. Here I have installed a hanging hook over there so that I'll be able to hang it easily. And I have already added a wire and switched and used a warm LED bulb inside for lighting. So I'll hang it here. Now the hanging part is done. Next I'm adding a butterfly and some fairy lights to it to enhance the look. I'll use nails to fix it to the wall. On the side of the bed, I have installed 2 floating shelves and I'll be placing these artificial creepers on them. Now I'll be placing the moon phase mirror set right above the bed and to make sure it perfectly align. So I'll use an inch tape to measure the wall. And this is my favorite part of decorating because here I am really excited to see how it will look. Honestly, I had no idea they would look this amazing. I mean, they really stands out and tie the whole room together. Now I'm going to add these fancy lights. It's battery operated and honestly, it is one of my absolute favorites. These mosaic mirror lights are something which I really love the most. And I'm not using them for lighting, though I'm keeping them off and just using them as a decor piece. So now I'm going to add the neon pothos और a money plant. इसे मैंने लेका बॉल्स में ग्रो किया हुआ है और it's really thriving so beautifully. So let's see how it turns out. OMG, I'm really happy with how it's turned out. The neon pothos look so vibrant and it's adding such a refreshing natural feel to the room. And this looks stunning. Now I'm going to add this bedsheet on the bed and I think it will really complement everything else here. Now let's add some plant to the open rack. So I am adding some water plants here because this is a bright spot and it also gets indirect sunlight during the day. There is a space next to the bed where I want to place a plant, so I'm deciding between 2 options. The first one is philodendron bulb marks. The philodendron seems to good here. Now let's try the Dracaena, aka Song of India as well. No, Dracaena doesn't look good here. So the philodendron looks better here. Alright, I'll just keep the philodendron here. I will add a runner next to the bed to give it a better look. Now I'm done with all.